imagine the celebrations, festivities and pride in the bright sunshine of 15th August 1947 among the citizens and freedom fighters alike who fought and braved the British rule for 200 years. An emotion of satisfaction was sparkling on the bright faces of all. Independence coincided with the partition of India, in which the British India was divided along religious lines into dominions of India and Pakistan.
On the 15th of August of 1947, the Prime Minister of India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, raised the Indian national flag on the Lahori Gate of Red Fort in Delhi. On each subsequent Independence Day, the Prime Minister raises the flag and gives an address to the nation.
The largest democracy in the world completes its 74 years of independence. The souls of 138 crore Indians are once again ignited and filled with nationalistic feelings, and their heads bowed out of respect for the numerous lives that were sacrificed for the sake of the cause of independence. Just like everything else in this world, freedom comes at a price, and just so it happens, India paid a hefty sum. What we have today was achieved after 90 years of rigorous protests from the entire Indian population, more than 35 million casualties, and the loss of two integral parts of the country. Now, let's take a look at a chronological timeline which highlights all of the major events which resulted into the subsequent independence of India. The first spark of rebellion was ignited in the year 1857 when the famous Sepoy Mutiny broke out in the northern provinces. It began in Meerut and had spread to major centers of British power like Delhi, Agra, Lucknow and Kanpur. This was followed by the formation of the Indian National Congress in 1885. In the year 1905, the Viceroy of India, Lord Curzon, ordered the partition of Bengal in order to suppress anti-British sentiments within the population. This was followed by the formation of the Muslim League in Dhaka in 1906. In 1907, the Congress was ideologically bifurcated into two groups, the radicals, headed by Bal Gangadhar Tilak, and the moderates, led by Gokhale and Dadabhai Naoroji. In 1911, India's capital was shifted from Kolkata to Delhi. Taking advantage of this, the famous freedom fighter Rash Bihari Bose planned the assassination of the Viceroy Lord Hardinge. He, however, failed. This was known as the Delhi Conspiracy Case of 1912. In 1913, the Ghadar Party was formed to fight for independence overseas. The years between 1914 and 1917 were known as the era of the Hindu-German conspiracy. In 1915, Mahatma Gandhi returned to India from South Africa. Between the years 1916 and 1918, Muhammad Ali Jinnah joined the Indian National Congress, and various local struggles took place in the form of peasant movements in Kheda, Gujarat. The year 1919 saw many movements. The British faced immense scrutiny by the Indian population due to the introduction of the Rowlatt Act. A countrywide campaign was also called by Gandhiji against this act. They were also criticized for General Reginald Dyer's actions at the Jallianwala Bagh massacre of 13th April 1919. The Khilafat movement was launched in 1919 by Muhammad Ali and Shaukat Ali. This was followed by the non-violent, non-cooperation movement contemplated by Gandhiji in 1920. In 1922, Mahatma Gandhi called off the non-cooperation movement after the Chauri Chaura killings of Gorakhpur district, followed by in 1925 when the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh RSS was founded. In 1927, the British government introduced the Simon Commission, under which it appointed a commission to formulate further constitutional reforms for India under Sir John Simon. In December of 1928, renowned freedom fighter Bhagat Singh killed a senior British police officer in Lahore. In 1929, the Declaration of Purna Swaraj was laid in the Lahore session of the Congress. In March and April 1930, the civil disobedience movement was launched. It was launched after Gandhiji's famous march to Dandi to oppose British taxes on salt. In November 1930, the first Roundtable Conference was held in London, which was followed by the second Roundtable Conference in 1931 December. In the same year, on 5th March 1931, the Gandhi-Irwin Pact was signed, which was followed by the Pune Pact between Gandhi and B.R. Ambedkar in 1932. In 1935, Government of India Act was passed. In 1939, 2 years after the provincial elections of 1937, all Congress ministries resigned in protest against the Viceroy's action of declaring India to be a belligerent in the Second World War without consulting the Indian people. In 1942, Gandhiji launched the Quit India movement, which was the third major movement against the British rule. In the same year, in 1942, Cripps mission was attempted by the British government headed by Sir Stafford Cripps. In 1943, India saw the Great Bengal Famine, which hit the Bengal province of pre-partition India, causing the death of millions of people due to starvation, malnutrition, and diseases. Finally, on the 15th of August 1947, after nearly 200 years of slavery, India gained its freedom from the British Raj.
The midnight of August 14, 1947, symbolized the rebirth of a nation after the slumber of centuries and a long struggle for self-determination.
Long years ago, we made a tryst with destiny, and now the time comes when we shall redeem our pledge. At the stroke of the midnight hour, when the world sleeps, India will awake to life and freedom.
In conclusion, the team of Unlock Science wishes all our viewers a very happy Independence Day. Jai Hind.